Rightio, this morning we're going to show you a look at a plug and play kit that's going to the Northern Territory. This is for Philip. We're really grateful for your business, Philip, and we're really proud to send you this kit. So we'll start at this end and I'll just walk my way through and show you a look at all the parts. So this is a 7-inch power beam 12 volt 100 watt halogen spotlight fitted to a Wgia thermal bracket system. So your thermal, you can adjust the angle of your thermal on top in proportion to your spotlight beam. You can unclip your thermal off the top, you can unclip your spotlight. It also comes with another base for your spotlight so you can run it on multiple vehicles, and another full range of thermal quick release mounts to suit thermals on the market. The bolt to screw into your thermal. So we build this kit so we can, when you get it, you don't have to go buy any bolts, run up to the shop, get zip ties, try and work stuff out. There's also a YouTube installational video to go with it. And then this part, guys, is a thermal only mount. So you can unclip your spotlight off your handle, clip this on, clip your thermal on top of that, plug it in and power it. And you can run it just as a thermal only mount, or you can run it with torches and laser beams, IR torches, etc. We've got 2 spare bulbs to go with the spotlight also. And then we have our custom designed and built roof console system. So this is designed to run your whole machine, and it's basically plug and play from your Deutsch plug bracing plate kit. Goes through the roof. Your spotlight handle plugs into the front of it. It's fully switched and relayed with interior lights. All your connections are out of the engine bay so you don't get any wiring issues, and you can easily check your fuses and everything's in the one spot. So these 2 parts go together like so, and that bolts on through your spotlight handle. And we got 1 switch for the interior light, and we got 2 switches for work lights, light bars. Some people like running red light bars, etc. also. So we can run up to 5 switches relayed. We can even run Type C ports in here, USB ports, so you can charge your iPads, etc. Dog tracking collars. We'll move on to the blazer handle, power beam handle. It's modified with a Wgia team, so it's lower profile, fully waterproof, less wind drag, better balance with our spotlight handle quick release mount. We've also got another mount on here so it doesn't flex in this area, which helps with thermal stability because it can get a shake and a wobble up. And then we'll go into our Deutsch plug bracing plate kit. So when this goes up on the roof, it's designed so we have a custom built wiring harness on our spotlight. It loops through here. And when you plug it in, it's designed so the wires never break. So you can see as we've got heat shrink and the way we've got the wires bent, it's all from our runs on the board in the paddock. We've learned how to design this stuff so you don't have breakdowns when you go on that big hunting trip. It also has a Type C plug here for a hardwired option. If you ever do need the option to hardwire it, it's there ready to go. This plug just sits inside the roof console system and you can hook into it from there. We have our wiring harnesses that plug into our roof console for our light bars and work lights. We've got 2 of them for this build, and we even have 1 to run the Starlink. And we move over here, we've got zip ties to finish the job off in the vehicle. And we have the battery wiring harness, so it's just 2 wires that go from your battery that hooks onto your, bolts onto your console. And these wires bolt onto your battery with your MIDI fuse and your connectors and your heat shrink. So you just cut it to length and finish it off in the engine bay or your second battery, wherever you want to mount it. This kit's designed to cater for that. And then we have this is a Honda Pioneer 1000, so we have our custom built Honda Pioneer 1000 roof brace kit. Designed to get the strength in your roof, straighten your roof out, get thermal stability, which is one of the main components you got to get right to get thermal stability, is get your roof braced. And this is the plate that goes on top. And this bit goes on here, so it's adjustable. So if there's any little differentiations between vehicles, we know the kit's definitely going to fit. And it just bolts to the roll bar at the front, the roll bar at the front across here, roll bar at the back there. And then it's even got the holes in the right spot for your spotlight handle. So that's for your spotlight handle, that's for your cable gland. ready to go. So there you go, guys. This one's heading to the Northern Territory. We really look forward to getting this out to Phillip, and we'll see you all in the next one.